Yeah, we're gonna climb up here. Sounds like a good idea. Yeah. 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 So I just want to say thank you for 1,000 subscribers. No. I'm gonna down here. I will stay right there. Okay, go. How do we whale for boat? How do we whale for boat? Whoa, we whale for boat, and then just like try one of those. Oh yeah, sounds like a good idea. Thanks for watching. Bye. Thanks for watching. Oh, excuse me. Sorry about that. Oh, that's fine. It's okay. Just fine. Yeah, I did just fine. What are you talking about? Do you want to go in the cave? Yes, sir. Oh, what is this? That's some gross metal. Oh, what is this? Bats. Oh, I'm scared. Yeah, I'm gonna go high. What is this? Is this book like mountains? Yeah. So thanks for watching. If you have, thanks for 1,000 subscribers. Bye. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna try one of those. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome to the Food Ninja. We can kick fruits, eat fruits, and we kick them. Oh, I want to kick them. Me. Okay, sir. Yeah. Oh, I'm going away. Yeah. Oh, I'm going away again. Yeah. Just one more whip. Yeah. Nice job. Oh. Now it's Booster's turn. Yeah. On the left. Yeah. Nice job. So, guys, thank you for watching. Bye.